Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is your girl Moya with Baddies and the Bag, and today we have $910 that we will be stuffing inside of our bills binder. Before we get into the video, I want to make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel, that you have turned on your notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post new videos. Now, before we start, we're going to do what we always do before every single video. We are going to go ahead and do a positive quote. So let us get into our positive quote for today. And the positive quote for today reads, "Bring on those new possibilities." Oh yes, it's 2024, it's a new year, and it would be great if all those new possibilities kindly join us on our journey. So let us go ahead and get into the cash stuffing. I do have my bank bag here. I'm gonna go ahead and get the cash out, and we're going to count the cash. Here we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, there's 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 7, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 8, 20, 40, 60, so that's 860, 70, 80, 90, 900, and we have two fives, which makes it 10. So we have $910 that we are stuffing today. So here we have our bills binder. Let's go ahead and get it stuffed. So we're gonna start with phone bill. And inside of phone bill today, we are adding $60, which is half of the phone bill. So we have 20, 40, 60. So here we have our $60 we're going to add inside the phone bill. So we need to add $60 more to make it 120, which is my phone bill. Moving right along, we have car payment, and in car payment we're adding $100, which is half of the car payment. So we still have to add another $100 to car payment. Next we have groceries. We're not going to add anything to groceries yet. We're going to add something, the other cash stuffing that we're going to do for the month. We're going to add something into groceries. Next we have self lender. Inside of self lender we're adding $35, which is the full amount. So here we have it, $35. Next we have subscriptions. Inside of subscriptions we are adding $45. So we have 20, 40, 5. Next we have insurance, and for insurance we're adding $150. Next we have utilities. We're adding $70 to utilities, which is the full amount. And then for rent, we are adding $450. So right here we have 3, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, and 50. So now we only have to add $350 to have the rent completed. And that completes our stuffing for today. We only had to stuff our bills, $910. Be sure that you are subscribed to the channel and remember to turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's a pleasure, and I will see you guys in the next video.